Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss that is sure to capture your interest. We are going to dive into the frugal living tips of one of the most successful investors of our time, Warren Buffett. Yes, you heard it right. But before starting the video, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is not only known for his immense wealth and impressive investment portfolio, but also for his incredibly frugal lifestyle. Despite being one of the richest individuals on the planet, he still lives in the same house he bought over 6 decades ago and drives an unassuming car. Sounds unbelievable, but this is absolutely true. Alright, today in this video we will explore some of Warren Buffett's frugal living tips that actually work. So if you're ready to discover the frugal living tips that have propelled Buffett to unimaginable heights, then stick around because this video is for you. But before we dive into the tips, let's understand why we should pay attention to Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle. Actually, despite being one of the richest individuals on the planet, with a net worth of billions of dollars, Buffett has always adhered to a modest and thrifty way of living. His frugality has not only helped him accumulate wealth, but also has provided valuable lessons for everyone who wants to achieve financial success in their life. So it's time to grab your notepads and get ready to be inspired as we explore the genius mindset behind Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle. You might think that this is just another video about saving money, but that's not true. Well, it's a journey that will empower you to take control of your financial future and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. So, without any further ado, let's dive into Warren Buffett's frugal living tips and unlock the door to financial prosperity. Now let's get started. Number 1. Live below your means. Warren Buffett actually believes in spending less than you earn. This simple yet powerful concept by him is the foundation of financial stability. It allows you to save and invest for the future while avoiding unnecessary debt. Buffett has always lived in a modest home and drives a relatively inexpensive car, emphasizing the importance of not overspending on material possessions. The simple theory is that by living below your means, you can create a gap between your income and expenses, which allows you to save and invest for the future. This financial discipline enables you to build wealth over time and provides a buffer against unexpected financial challenges. Number 2. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Investor Buffett once famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." Well, he advocates for making conscious decisions about your expenses and avoiding frivolous purchases. It's about distinguishing between wants and needs, prioritizing what is truly important, and cutting out unnecessary expenses. By critically evaluating your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can save money and redirect those funds towards more meaningful endeavors, such as saving, investing, or experiences that bring long-term value. If you cut out your unnecessary expenses, you may be able to focus on things that truly matter and allocate your resources more wisely. Number 3. Embrace a minimalist mindset. Warren Buffett is a personality who believes in simplicity. He has been known to wear the same type of suit every day and even lives a relatively clutter-free life. Minimalism is the best way to help you avoid the traps of consumerism while also keeping your finances in check. Actually, guys, minimalism is all about simplifying your life and focusing on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. You not only achieve a sense of calm and clarity by decluttering your physical excessive consumerism. Minimalism encourages intentional consumption and reduces the impulse to acquire more. leading to significant savings over time. Guys, this is for sure that you will be able to live a more fulfilled life if you save money by getting rid of superfluous goods and focusing on what actually brings you joy. Number 4. Invest wisely. Warren Buffett is renowned for his investment prowess. His frugal living tips extend to the realm of investing as well. He suggests investing in low-cost index funds that track the performance of the overall market. Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking and patience when it comes to investing. By avoiding excessive trading and focusing on high-quality, undervalued assets, you can take advantage of compound interest and grow your wealth steadily over time. According to him, if you invest consistently and intelligently, you can take advantage of compound interest and build wealth over time. Actually, in the world of investing, Buffett's strategy highlights the importance of long-term thinking and patience that every investor should acquire. Number 5. Prioritize knowledge and education. Warren Buffett is a voracious reader who owes a significant part of his success to his never-ending pursuit of knowledge. Buffett is a firm believer in the power of continuous learning. He encourages individuals to invest in themselves by constantly learning and expanding their intellectual horizons. By gaining knowledge, you can make better financial decisions and identify profitable opportunities. He says that if you stay informed and educated about financial matters, you can make better informed decisions and identify opportunities that others may overlook. Acquiring knowledge in areas such as personal finance, investing, and business can provide you with the tools and insights necessary to navigate the complex world of finance and build long-term wealth. Number 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Warren Buffett believes in the power of surrounding yourself with people who share your values and aspirations. Well, building a network of supportive individuals who have similar financial goals can help you exchange ideas, gain insights, and stay motivated on your journey towards financial success. Actually, being part of a community that encourages responsible financial behavior and fosters a growth mindset can provide you with valuable support, guidance, and accountability. Number 7. Give back to society. Despite his immense wealth, Warren Buffett is known for his philanthropic efforts. He has pledged to donate the majority of his fortune to charitable causes. He also encourages others to give back to society as well. Buffett encourages others to give back to society while emphasizing the importance of using wealth to make a positive impact on the world. By using your resources to make a positive impact, you not only contribute to the well-being of others, but also experience a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Philanthropy can take many forms, whether it's donating to charitable causes, volunteering your time and expertise, or supporting initiatives that align with your values. Giving back reminds us of the importance of using wealth responsibly and making a difference in the world. Adding to it, Warren Buffett's frugal living tips are not only practical but also highly effective. When you implement each of these tips in your life, you can contribute to financial stability, personal growth, and overall well-being. Well, they're not isolated actions, but rather a holistic approach to managing your finances, cultivating a healthy mindset, and creating a solid foundation for long-term success. By embracing these frugal living tips, you can make significant strides towards achieving your financial goals. By following his advice, you can gain control over your finances, build wealth, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, financial freedom is not about accumulating possessions or living extravagantly, but it's actually about making conscious choices, prioritizing what truly matters, and building a secure future. If you are a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. So, there you have it. Warren Buffett's frugal living tips that actually work. Remember, Frugality is not about depriving yourself or living a life of scarcity. It's about making conscious choices, prioritizing what truly matters, and aligning your spending with your long-term goals. By adopting the frugal mindset of Warren Buffett, you can create a solid foundation for financial stability and build the wealth you desire. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this video. Number 1. Live below your means. Number 2. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Number 3. Embrace a minimalist mindset. Number 4. Invest wisely. Number 5. Prioritize knowledge and education. Number 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Number 7. Give back to society. Now, it's time for you to take action. Guys, choose one or more of these tips that resonate with you and start implementing them in your life. Remember, the key is consistency and discipline. Small changes can lead to significant financial transformations over time. And always keep in mind that financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the process, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. You have the power to shape your financial future just as Warren Buffett has shaped his. Guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, let us know in the comments below which tip you found most helpful or if you have any other frugal living tips to share. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon given below so that you can get the new updates of our videos which we upload to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay frugal, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next video.